Hi lovelies, thank you for joining me. I've got a Temu haul today. 17 items for £17. All nail art, mostly stickers. Well, I said £17. I put that because that's what they should be. But I don't know if you already know, but if you place an order on Temu, what you need to do is log in again when it comes or when it's on its way. You can log in again, click on your orders, click on view details of that particular order. And if you look down, there's a thing that says price adjustment. So if you click on that, if anything that you've bought has reduced, it'll give you a credit back and you can have it instantly to your Temu account. As a credit, it only lasts for a couple of weeks. I'm not quite sure how long. But you can't keep doing it all the time, but it's well worth doing because this that says 17 for £17 actually only paid 12, so it's unbelievable, isn't it? Right, so mostly stickers, so I'll start with these. This one, you'll have seen lots of photos that's using little flowers like this. Well, I'm saying photos, images, but they're AI images. And even the picture that they show in this, you've got to be careful when you're buying off Temu. Sometimes, well, look at the image that they're showing as the sort of forerunner to the listing. I hope this is making sense. Look at the main photo of it and then look at the actual stickers on the other photos, because you'll often find that the photo is there. So you've got to be careful of that. And I wish they'd stop putting 5D and 6D, and I've even seen a 9D. I mean, come on. Stick to 3D or not at all. I don't know why, that just bugs me. Yeah, so these are pretty little flowers. So I haven't really got a plain nail. I've only got gold. Yeah, so they don't stand up as much as you think they do. They're just slightly relieved, and if you top coat over them, they'll not really be relieved at all, but they're pretty. So I thought I'll have a look and see what they look like. They'll look nothing like the AI photo, no doubt. There we go. I don't know why it needs to be in plastic and then plastic. That's that. These are pretty little bows. So, trying to paint tiny little bows like that would be very difficult, but these are really pretty. They're just like netting, bows in netting, with little pearls stuck in the middle of some of them. So yeah, I think they're really cute. So everything basically, if you work it out as an average, it's less than £1. Oh, Valentine's Day. I've got a set to do for a collab, so I've got quite a few Valentine's Day stickers now, so yeah, they're nice. Little hearts. More bows. I do things in a, I don't know, I get hooked on something, don't I? So yeah, I'm into bows obviously this time. So these are nice. There's a slight relief to these as well. All in pinks and purpley colours. Let's have some flowers next. Again, these were an AI photo, I'm pretty sure, on the thing, but they are pretty. And they have different colours. If you see anything on here that you fancy, let me know and I'll try and find the link if it's still available. Because the links are so massive, I won't be able to put them all on my description. And you might not be fancying any of them anyway, so yeah. But birds also, I think I've got another birds as well. Don't know why I fancied birds this time. They're quite cute. Oh yeah, some more roses with the relief, but in pink. I think. Oh yeah, so that one's got gold and this one's with white. I think they look really nice if you want to do like a vintagey looking set of nails. I'll open this one up because this is a few in a packet and I can't remember how many. Oh, at last. So little bouquets of flowers. Aren't they pretty? They're not very wide, actually. I wish they were a bit wider so they fully covered your nail, because they've shaped and rounded, but they're really, really narrow. They do for my little finger, and that's about it. Yeah, pretty though. And daisies. Different daisies in a bouquet, I like those. They're nice. Could do the main one and then little odd ones dotted. And more bouquets, just slightly different. Yeah, well, I like them. Pretty. 3 for £1. Alright. And ladybirds. Little ladybirds and butterflies. These have got the coffin nail shape, but again, very, very narrow. So, you're definitely not going to go over the edge of your nail. That one's more square. Yeah, little ladybirds, I like them. Oh, just abstract flowers. I'm not opening them all up because it'll just take me forever to show you, so you get the idea. There's got the little gold shapes and abstract pink. It's just so much quicker than painting, isn't it? More birds, they're nice. They're cute. Abstract flowers and hearts. Yeah, so I definitely had Valentine's on my mind, didn't I? I think I've just arranged to do that collab when I ordered. Oh, and I did, if you want to see my last haul where I've saved the £5 from that haul, it's on my channel, you find it below. And there's some more gonk ones in there. They're nice. So you can put them all, that's got love across 3 nails. It's got the hearts, but it says Merry Christmas. Oh dear. Yeah, well, you can have love at Christmas, can't you? So that's that. Oh, these are different. These are, I'm going to get these out. These are candles and candelabras. Yeah, I don't get them all out because it'd take forever, the video. How pretty are they? Might look better on that. Look at that. My home field. This one I can't even read. Yeah, so little separate candles and candelabras. I think they're really nice again for a vintagey set. Combined with, oh, it's got lace on it. I wouldn't say combined with lace. That actually feels like lace. Yeah, there's 2 of those together. They're beautiful. Love those. I was trying to find something a bit different. Oh, more bows but black. Baby. Dun, dun, dun. What else? Oh, last thing. Just a case to keep them all in. I've got 3 of these now. And I realised I needed to separate them more so that I've got my Valentine's separate to my flowers and things, because I've looked through them all before I start. These are a great size. And if they come in packets, sometimes I take them out and sometimes I put them in the packet. So just slip them in. And you can do both sides on them. So yeah, these are great. So if you want the link to that, let me know. There's lots of pages in it. I'm guessing about 40, and you can use both sides. So yeah. Right, before I go, I'll just show you this one. I missed this one. I don't normally buy individual foils, but I've got a little bit of one of these left from a long time ago, and I just love it. These little pink roses, I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, nice over gold. Yeah, and it is 50 centimetres long. So yeah, like I said, I don't usually buy them separate, but I couldn't resist that one. So I hope you enjoyed my Temu haul for today. It's only a small one, but it is all nail art. So yeah, I've got some organising to do now, haven't I? So thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have enjoyed it. And if you could share with anybody that you think might be interested, that would be amazing. And I look forward to reading your comments. Let me know if there's anything you want a link for. Take care, lovelies. Bye.